So you from the city?
No, I'm from Brooklyn.
I ripped him an asshole on Friday, but now he's my buddy.
I mean, if you snort that line of salt, I don't know, what do you want, like a t-shirt?
Hang Saloon, Hang Saloon.
A good dive bar is hard to find because there's no pretension.
A shitty old dive bar where it's loud and somebody might get mad at you, it's like, aw, that's nice.
There's something about that space that you just feel like you're there with friends.
You know, anybody who was hanging out on that corner was either pretty indigent or up to no good. I can honestly say, because I was one of them.
When you talk about Hanks, this is the real Brooklyn, the real deal. We love him, and we don't want him to leave.
I can't believe we're closing. And everybody's counting down. I'm not counting nothing.
When you're coming in here to ask us and lament that we're closing, but yet you're not spending a fucking dime, go fuck yourself.
There was a conscious decision by the powers that be in New York. Do we maintain as an industrial city, or do we want to become a city of finance and real estate?
There was all these bigwigs kind of fighting over land and property and taxes, and we just kind of floated by in this limbo of, like, if we're small enough and don't make enough noise, like, no one's going to notice that we're still here running the bar.
They want to buy it and fix it up, you know, fix it up. There's nothing wrong with it.
Hang Saloon, Hang Saloon. Even though soon it may go kaboom. We'll down one more round and cruise one more tune for wonderful Hang Saloon.
God bless Hank.